cross-platform way of getting temp directory in Python. Is there a cross-platform way of getting the path to the temp directory in Python 2.6? For example, under Linux that would be /tmp, while under XPC column /documents and settings /user /application settings /temp.
That would be the temp file module. It has functions to get the temporary directory, and also has some shortcuts to create temporary files and directories in it, either named or unnamed. Example. For completeness, here's how it searches for the temporary directory, according to the documentation. The directory named by the temp.dir environment variable, the directory named by the temp environment variable, the directory named by the tmp environment variable, a platform specific location on rescos, the directory named by the wimp/dir environment variable, on Windows, the directories c:\temp, c:\tmp, \temp, and \tmp, in that order. On all other platforms, the directories /tmp, /var/tmp, and /user/tmp, in that order, as a last resort, the current working directory.
This should do what you want. For me on my Windows box, I get. And on my Linux box I get.
I use. This is because on macOS, i.e. Darwin, tempfile.getTempDir and os.getInf.dir return a value such as. It is one that I do not always want.
The simplest way, based on @nosglow's comment and answer. But if you want to manually control the creation of the directories, that way you can easily clean up after yourself when you are done, for privacy, resources, security, whatever, with. This is similar to what applications like Google Chrome and Linux systemd do. They just use a shorter hex hash and an app-specific prefix to advertise their presence.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.